Good morning students, welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we are continuing the chapter the fish tail and our today's topic is speed, time and distance. So first of all, what is speed? Suppose a car is moving from the point A to the point B and this distance is 64 kilometer. The distance between A and B is 64 kilometer. And the total time taken by the car to cover the distance is suppose 2 hours. So what is speed? Speed equals to distance divided by time. So speed distance equals to 64 kilometer divided by time 2 hours. So we can write 32 kilometer per hour. 32 kilometer per hour. So speed is the rate of change of distance. Rate of change of distance. Or we can say the change of distance with respect to time. That is the speed. So you can see this concept comes from you can find in the science. So here you can see the mathematics is integrated with science. So speed equals to distance by time. So 64 by 2, that is 32 kilometer per hour. So everyone must remember the formula. Speed equals to distance by time. When distance and time is given, if you divide distance by time, you will get the speed. So here, total distance is 64 kilometer and total time taken 2 hours. So 64 kilometer by 2 hours, that is 32 kilometer per hour is the speed of the car. So just note down the formula. Speed equals to distance by time. So two other formulas we can derive from here. First, time equals to distance by speed. And distance equals to speed into time. So these three formulas, everyone keep it in mind and also remember the formulas. First one, speed equals to distance by time. Second one, time equals to distance by speed. Third one, distance equals to speed into time. When distance and times are given, you can find the speed by dividing distance by time. When distance and speed are given, you can find the time by dividing the distance by speed. And if speed and times are given, you can find out the distance by multiplying the speed by time. So suppose here the speed is suppose 12 meter per second and time is 5 seconds. So what is the distance. We can see distance equals to speed into time, that is 12 into 5, and here the unit of speed is meter. So 60 meter. 12 into 5, that is 60 meter. So everyone must remember the formulas. Speed equals to distance by time. Time equals to distance by speed. Distance equals to speed into time. And note down in your copy also. And what is the speed? Speed equals to change of distance with respect to time, or in notation we can write speed equals to distance by time. Everyone just try to do an activity. Take your watch, if possible stopwatch, and walk a distance and just measure how much time you have taken to cover the distance. Then the distance, and you can get the time from your watch. So dividing the distance by the time, you can get the speed of yours. That is, what is the speed of you? Speed of walking. So you can do this activity in your home. So now here are some homework from today's discussion. Number 1, find speed in each of the following cases. Number A, distance equals to 48 km, time 3 hours. B, distance 121 km, time 11 hours. C, distance 512 meter, time 36 seconds. D, distance 96 meter, time 12 seconds. Number 2, find time in each of the following cases. Distance 48, 480 km, speed 12 km per hour. Distance 215 km, speed 5 km per hour. C, distance 360 meters, speed 9 meter per second. And number 3, find distance in each of the following cases. Number A, speed 15 km per hour, time 12 hour. B, speed 40 km per hour, time 18 hour. C, speed 115 km per hour, time 7 hours. So everyone must do this homework in your copy.